Chris, Sam.
Who's Sam?
Hello, and welcome to Night Sounds. Venture with us now to the deepest, darkest part of Night Sounds. Here we go. Stick close. Watch your step. What's that smell? Check your shoe. Oh, gross.
Who's Sam?
Be careful, they're extremely dangerous.
I'm scared. There's one now.
Swing across the spine.
Shh, they're waking. Let's go into the cave.
Over here.
I'm scared. It's so dark.
Take this flashlight.
I'm slipping.
Take my hand.
Thanks. Who's got the power?
Let's go.
I'm scared. Let's do it. The Three Amigos.
Here we go to the final observations. Our first specimen, Artis Mellimus. We will now observe his night sounds and listen to him talk in his sleep.
Who's Sam?
Let's put the mic right to his face.
I be illin'. Oh man, yo dude, your happy days be over. Jesus be the happening thing. He gave me the ability to play hoopla with the brothers. Oh man, my happy days over. What do I be talking about? Oh well, Jesus is still my savior. That's all I need to know. But man, I ain't feeling too good right now, bro.
One bulky, awkward character, if I do say so myself.
Who's Sam?
Never seen such a character before in my life. Now on to the next specimen. Yes. One Becky Lee. Let's observe her
Night Sounds.
and listen to what she has to say in her sleep.
Hope I get to Mexico soon. I'm so tired of driving. Will you switch with me, Michele? Oh man, I wish that Frank would slow down. I'm just so tired of him driving so fast. What's he doing now? No way, a 3-lane change? I can't make it over to the right turn. Oh my goodness. Oh no, I'm gonna crash. Oh my, I made it. I'll fix that, Frank. I know what I'm gonna do. I'll get right up on Arch's bumper. That way Frank won't be able to get between us and drive like an idiot. Oh man, I'm so tired. I just hope we get back soon.
We better not disturb this bleach blonde beach bum. It looks like she needs her rest. Well, here's an unlikely pair. A Benjaminite and a Bethanynite. Let's move the microphone in closer so we can get a good listen to their night sounds. Listen.
Yo tengo cosa, 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 cosa en mi corazón. En mi corazón. En mi corazón. Yo tengo cosa, 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 cosa en mi corazón. Porque Cristo me salvó.
Let's step over these carpet creepers and move on to the next specimen. Over here we have a small but nimble-looking creature. This specimen is entitled a Michelemus Hymenus Hatomus. Let's put the mic up and hear her night sounds.
Volleyball. Anybody want to play volleyball? I go. Set, spike, bump. Why can't our car lead the way to Mexico?
Obviously the specimen forgets she doesn't know the way to Mexico.
Oh yeah, huh? Oh my, here comes Amy Grant. I wonder if she'll play volleyball with me. Oh my, I wish I had that leopard jacket of hers. El Shaddai, El Shaddai.
Boy, this specimen talks forever and ever.
Oh yeah.
Maybe we'd better come back to her. Oh, it's good to get away from that specimen. Ah, there's a specimen up ahead. Ah, the title of this creature is a Juliski Plutchak. Let's listen in closer for her night sounds.
I can't even believe he finally asked me to marry him. Que bueno. The power, the power, the power, the power. Who's got the power? Oh, I don't even care anymore who's got the power. But who's got the power? Oh, ice skating, ice skating. Watch me do a quadruple loop ski. Is that Peggy Fleming over there? Oh, I wish my name was Julie Chapstick. Oh, but I still like Julie Velasquez. Oh.
Sam?
Wait a minute. What did he say?
I said, who's Sam?
Uh-oh, we're running very short on time right now. We'll have to cover the rest of these specimens quite quickly.
Art, did you hear that dog making pig noises?
Ah, here is a Becky Lee. Let's listen to her night sounds.
Art, I can't do that. Speaking in Spanish is so hard, though. No, yo hablo español. Es muy difícil. No es posible. Oh, Arte. No entiendo español.
Obviously, the specimen forgets she is speaking Spanish and that she's a Spanish minor.
Okay, children. Go to bed. And tomorrow morning, you can have Choco Crispies or Fruity Loopies. Good night, children.
I said, who's Sam?